So today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my BoxyCharm and my Topbox for October. So let's just start with BoxyCharm. As you can see, this box looks a bit kind of shitty. It's a good word for it. So when I got it in the mail, it was technically closed. This was sopping wet. I don't want to give you my address, but this is all wet. So of course I tried to open it, wanted to make sure there was nothing inside. I didn't think there was anything inside that would make it wet. I was hoping that nothing was wrecked in here, but it does look a bit crappy. Luckily, there is nothing in here that actually is wrecked because of it, or nothing that actually leaked. So this is what it is. This is BoxyCharm Spellbound. So I'm just gonna, there are 5 items in here, and I'm gonna just start with this one here, and this is from Boxy Beauty. What the hell? Oh, it's Basic Beauty. Okay, cool. And I think this is a lip product. It's in summer. Oh, it's a lip oil. Okay, so there's that. Let's see. It smells very summery, so that's nice. I think I'm actually going to keep this. I've been getting a little bit more into lip products lately just because my lips have been really dry. And then there is this from Tarte. The box is a bit wet, but nothing happened to it. This is the Tarte C Wink H2O Vegan Collagen Under Eye Cream. So this is what it looks like, and smells pretty much the same. It's just a clear under eye cream. So there is that. Oh, right. So the lip oil runs you at $18, and then this here is the Tarte Wink H2O Collagen Cream is $35. Then I'm gonna do the next 2 items, I guess, because they go together. So this is the TYNT, and this is the brown, whatever. Okay, so this is Lash and Brow Duo. Oh, I thought this was something else. I saw another video. This might not be what I thought this was. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So this is a mascara, I'm assuming. Yep. Okay, and then what the hell is this? This is a brow. Oh, that's lame. So this is a brow gel, and then this one is mascara. Well, I thought this was something else, and I was excited about it. This pisses me off because I will never use that. That is also $39 for that. That is a ripoff. Okay, and then these are eyelashes, and I thought I was getting the eyeliner that everyone else got with these. The eyeliner actually is an eyeliner as well as a glue for your eyelashes, so that would have been nice. So these are from Camera, I don't know. This is what it looks like. Those are actually really nice eyelashes, so that's nice. These are this is a $25 pair of eyelashes. I don't think so. That's not okay. And then the last thing in here is from Ace of Beauty. This is Falling For You. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it's very fall. Let's take a look at these colors. Okay. So that is what the palette looks like. These are very pretty. I don't think I'd wear a lot of these together, but I know. Ace of Beauty has really nice eyeshadows, so I probably will keep this. Kind of digging some of these colors, especially for fall, so yeah. And the palette is $34.99. So Ace of Beauty has really decently priced palettes. So all together, it costed this much. Honestly, so I'm keeping the lip oil because I'm going to need it. The palette probably. The definitely the eye cream. And then I'll keep the lashes because, well, I have them. This I'm probably not going to use, so I'm going to give this to somebody that will use it. At least this month, I'm keeping everything except for one item. All right, now for the top box. Let's take a look at what's in this one. This is what it looks like here. Okay, so the first thing I see is this, and this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and this is in the color 4, so it's warm, medium brown. This also looks like it's almost a full size. Oh no, it's not a full size product, but it's definitely a deluxe size product. So there's that, and I actually have been using brow pencils a little bit more lately, so that is nice. And then this is from Revlon, and this is obviously a deluxe sample size. This is the Unique One Coconut all-in-one leave-in conditioner spray. I have a few of these. I love this brand. I actually use this one, so I'm excited about that. Then there is this Elizabeth Arden complimentary sample of the Lift and Firm Daily Cream. So it's a little tiny sample of that. And then there is this here, and this is the Elizabeth Arden, what is this? Elizabeth Arden Line Erasing Night Serum. And it comes in these little things here. I don't know how many are in here. So they're like the little caplets. So that's actually one of our actual like things in here. It's not one of the sample ones. This is like the, I guess these are quite expensive, so. And then the last thing in here is from this brand here. I think it's Physioderm, I don't know, clean. This is Gentle and Mild for sensitive skin cream. That is not my hair. That's disgusting. Cream cleanser. It's dermatologically tested, pH balanced. It has no fragrance, no paraffins, no soaps, no alcohol, no dyes, no mineral oils or sulfites. Then what the heck is in here? Literally nothing. Yeah, there's no smell whatsoever, which is nice. It looks like it's a full-size bottle. This is 177 mils, so that is a full-size bottle. All right, so that was everything for October's BoxyCharm and top boxes. Honestly, I think BoxyCharm won this month. Not that, you know, last month they sucked. So if you did not see that video, check that one out. I think they do this to me on purpose. One month I'm ready to cancel, and then they bring back something decent, and then the next month I'm ready to cancel again, and then they do this. I'm on this roller coaster with BoxyCharm. Alrighty. Well, enough of my rambling. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you have a great day.